welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I posted a video and I wanted to do a planner video today, and it's all about a sort of unboxing of this planner that I got. I already opened it last night because I couldn't wait anymore, but I just wanted to show you what I got, obviously, and I'm super excited to finally have this planner, and let's get on with it. So I ordered a planner from Spek. This is going to be my second custom that I've ordered from her. I absolutely love the leather. I love that you can customize your cover in so many different ways. The only sort of a downside is that it takes forever. It takes forever to get to you, especially if it's a custom. I think they're ready to ship. It gets to you in a week, but for customs, initially they were doing up to 8 to 10 weeks when I ordered my very first one, and then starting this year they've increased it to 12 weeks, and actually I've just discovered on Instagram that they are actually going to extend it to 14 weeks because of the summer, and most of the employees are going on vacation and all that stuff, so that's that. But honestly, the wait is always worth it so far with my first one, and I also believe that the second one was also worth the wait, and I will show you what I got. So like I said, I already opened it and I actually have all my stuff in here, but this is it. So I got a a manager size, which is the A5, and it is in this beautiful color, the Janet Leather Black. So I've wanted to have a black leather planner for my A5. I've been using my Moterm while I've been waiting for this, but it only has 30mm rings, and I'm ready to go back to big rings for my extension. So that's why I got this, and I am absolutely in love with this leather. It's such a classic look. It's just black all around, and it's absolutely lovely. So as far as the customizations that I got, I left the pocket configuration alone. Whenever you get a custom A5, this is the pocket that you would get. You have like 10 card slots on this top portion right here. You get a big slip pocket right here, a slip pocket right here, and then 2 individual like slip pockets over here. So I just left that alone because I'm not really big into pockets, and especially this planner does not really leave the house, so I just kept it as it is. I did add an extra pen loop, so I have one pen loop right here, and I have another pen loop right there. And then as for the back, I also left it alone. I actually didn't realize that there was a big pocket over here. I thought it was just going to be like closed, and it has like the zipper pocket, which I think will be fine. I think I'll keep like receipts in here or just whatever that I need to keep track of. And then this pocket actually will be useful because I like that it extends up to like this way, so that's good. But I think this is the default setting or customization that is for the custom manager size. And then obviously I got gold 35mm rings, and then the popper matches the rings obviously, and then I also got a flyleaf, same color. Everything is Janet Leather Black. The outside, the inside, the stitching, everything is the same color. I did not get a back pocket. As you guys know, I'm not a fan of back pockets, so first impressions, I like that it lays flat even without my inserts. Like, it lays flat so well, and I like the structure. It's not too floppy, and it's also not too stiff. I did get a Bondtex stiffener, not just a regular stiffener. And then I also got it with squared corners. If you guys can see, those are nice. And then I also got a longer clasp, which is 35mm, just for preparation for chunkiness. I been using my extension here and there, but not regularly. as much as I would want to, but I am going to change that. I am doing some changes for my extension and to help me kind of like utilize it much more than just like once a month or something, because I really want to use this more often. So I'm in a process of revamping my setup. That's why I haven't actually had a flip of my extension ever, I think, since the year started. So I'm just waiting for some things, and then also I'm setting up some things as well. So that is that. Like, it's so nice. I like the leather, and I feel like it's not as fragile. My last custom was the Janet Leather Velvet Sand, and that was a very high maintenance leather. I mean, I absolutely loved it. It's so freaking pretty, but yeah, it's definitely high maintenance leather. This one, on the other hand, I think it can go through, you know, some normal like wear and tear, and I think it'll be fine. And I wanted to do this one, the Janet Leather Black, instead of the Noir, because that's like one of the most popular black leathers for VDS. But I mean, Janet Leather is like sort of like a higher class leather for Spek, so I just wanted to do that. And the fact that it's like just like black and it's still squishy, but it has structure, that works out really well for me, because I don't want any super soft, like pliable or stretchy leather or whatever. So this works out really well, and I'm so glad to be back. And 35mm rings, so that's also a plus. And the gold looks so nice, and it matches all my dividers, which I have prepared for to get, because I know that I was going to get this planner anyway, even when I was in my mo term. So I'm hoping to do a flip soon of my extension, and I'm hoping to fill these card slots with actual stuff that I can use, not just for decoration. I'm still thinking about all that, how to do it and everything, but so far, putting this in, all the things in here last night, I have a good feeling that I'm going to be utilizing it more, probably because I'm motivated because it's a new cover, and also I'm going to add some new things. And as you can see, there's a lot of room still, because when I was in 30mm rings with the mo term, I still had plenty of space. So the fact that this is 35mm rings, there's more and more space now. So that's good. And I think I did like an initial sniff, and it absolutely smells amazing. It smells like genuine leather, and it's just so soft, but not like soft, you know. So, yep. I think right here, I forgot that I actually ordered a longer clasp, so that's why I was like, why does it seem so long? But now I realize that I did order a longer clasp because I intend to stuff this baby up eventually, and obviously like having a longer clasp would help tremendously. So, and that is it. So it's not a big, you know, long video. I just wanted to share how I've been loving it so far after it's not even 24 hours yet. So, but I will probably do like a 1 month review once I have it all together. But so far it's really nice, and black like never goes out of style, so that's always like been a must for me. I always like thought I would always have like a black like cover planner, because it just like goes with everything. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, please message me or comment in the comment section. I will put on the description box what the customizations are, so if you're interested in those, you can see them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and of course, if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. See ya. Bye.